Hello there. So I was going to do a live streaming on YouTube of this, but apparently YouTube won't let me do a live streaming if I'm recording my screen for some reason. I'm not sure how that works, or maybe I'm missing something. Anyway, I just wanted to record this quickly. I'm right in between sessions. I'm taking sessions now in the for the Carolina Association of Translators and Interpreters, and we're right in the middle during a break. But I just wanted to address this quickly because it happened. I mentioned it briefly on LinkedIn, but I kind of wanted to share it with you. I was debating whether to share the name of the company or not, but I figured why not. So anyway, this is basically what popped up on pros.com recently, and so I wanted to share something with you and get your thoughts on whether or not this was a scam. So they said they needed a job. They said due diligence acquisition related documents, translated Italian to English. Fine, that's me. Then approximately a lot of words to be translated. Okay, fine. Quick turnarounds will be required. Blah, blah, blah. Anyway, please apply if you have an experience. Blah, blah, blah. So I sent in, and it seems fine. They have 33 entries, all 5. So I sent in a quote. They got, I think, 44 quotes in total, and then and so mine was just one of them. Then they wrote back an email, and they said, "Many thanks, and you're interested in working with us." Blah blah blah. And then a few follow-up questions. Now I want to skip right away to the last follow-up question. We would require a sample of approximately 900 words to be translated in order to evaluate the quality of the work. This will not be a paid sample. Are you comfortable with that? And so I told them I was not. I told them, in fact, that I shouldn't even have done that, but I said I can translate around 200 words for free. And then I said, otherwise, feel free to look at my portfolio on Prose, or I can send you other examples of my work. And to me, this seemed ridiculous. I don't think I've ever been asked to perform a 900-word free sample translation. And I don't think you should either. And it's very odd that they would ask me this. And so I'm wondering if they're just trying to get away with stuff now that a lot of translators might be more desperate, or there's a lot of uncertainty going around. And so maybe they're trying to take advantage of that. But look, you should not do this. First of all, because it's 900 words that you're going to translate, which would, I mean, depending on the content or what it's about or anything, that could take close to all day. A lot of technical content, 900 words can be a lot, and you don't want to be doing all of that for free. And that's in the good case scenario that they actually hire you after that. It's still for free, and none of that's guaranteed, right? Now, here's the issue I have. I mean, aside from that, which is obvious, they got 44 quotes here. Say they pick 10 people as finalists, right? And they send each of them this. I don't know that they're sending the same 900 words to each person. Pros.com lets you put in a sample text that you can translate. They did not do that here. And at least there, so you know everyone's translating the same text. But what stops them from sending me 900 words, someone else a different 900 words, someone else a different 900 words, and if they pick 10 people out of these 44, which is plausible, they get 9,000 words translated for free. And so my guess is that if you accept to do this test, you will not be hired by them. I might be wrong, but that's my guess. Now, the only thing that makes me waver a bit from this is because then I got curious, so I wanted to look up their Blueboard ratings. And here on their Blueboard ratings, I see that the Localize is their name, by the way. And I see that they have all 5 ratings. And I mean, it's interesting. They're all pretty recent, actually. They only started in September of last year, and they're all like very recent. Anyway, and so it's kind of crazy that A, they're all 5, B, they had so many 5s in such a short period of time. I've rarely ever seen this. Anyway, I just wanted to get your thoughts. If I had to look just at their Blueboard, I would totally think they're legitimate. They know what they're doing. They'd be a pleasure to work with, etc., etc. But then when I see something like asking for 900 words to be translated, and look, I don't care that they have a lot, they expect 100 plus documents or whatever, and they also, no, it was in here that they said they had something like 300,000 plus words. That's fine. I mean, you still can't ask for 900 words in a sample translation. And then they also asked, by the way, this annoys me, but you'll see this more often, what is the best per word rate in USD you can offer for volumes of work? Because they say that since there's more volume, we can charge less, which I don't really like, but they're, I'll let it pass, to each his own. But this one just seemed ridiculous to me. So anyway, I just wanted to get your thoughts. Once again, I just wanted to make this a live video, but I guess I'll just post it now because it's time to go on to my next session almost. But it's been kind of bothering me, so I kind of wanted to share with you guys and see what you guys thought about this, and if you think it's legitimate or not, or is it a scam, or am I missing something? Maybe I just read it incorrectly, but those are my thoughts. Anyway, that's pretty much it. I will talk to you next time. Okay, thanks. Bye. Savedum.